The earth, weary and scorched by merciless fires, could no longer breathe. The cracked soil and charred tree trunks spoke in a mournful silence. But that silence was broken. Metallic messengers from the future descended from the sky, determined to restore life to the heart of the land. Every movement they made was precise and purposeful, echoing the promise of greenery and renewal. Each tiny sapling sinks into the scorched earth like a seed of hope. With extraordinary precision, the robots plant each one in its rightful place, as if nature itself is being invited to live again. The sound of water droplets and soft soil whispers the promise of greenery and peace, a future rebuilt through the intelligence and accuracy of metal and wire. Every drop of water is guided by artificial intelligence. Not a single sip is wasted, and no root is left thirsty. With calm precision, the robots breathe life back into the soil. Each spark of light, each drop of water carries a promise, the return of the forest and the vision of a greener tomorrow. Here, the symphony of life begins anew. The robots, like a perfectly tuned orchestra, each play their note in the melody of the earth's restoration. The soil that once lay scorched now breathes with every metallic movement, promising the birth of a fresh forest. Even the hardest ground cannot stop them. With intelligence and skill, the robots push aside the stones, opening the path for new life. No obstacle can stand in the way of nature's return. Every rock that is moved is a symbol of iron determination to rebuild the forest. Every particle of soil is measured with precision. Every potential root carefully examined. The robots, through real-time analysis, decide where new life will sprout again. Here, science and nature merge, and a verdant future begins to take shape. Even in the harshest places, life finds a way to return. Drones, carriers of hope, deliver seeds to places beyond the reach of human hands. Each seed is a promise, a pledge that the earth will turn green once more. In the blink of an eye, the scorched earth dons a green garment. The robots remain vigilant, watching over the growth of every plant, ensuring that nature sprouts anew to build a fresh world. This moment is the fusion of time's magic and the precision of machines. When life sprouted once more in the heart of the forest, the small creatures became the first messengers of hope's return. The robots sat quietly, watching as nature reclaimed its rightful place. Here, future and life join hands, celebrating the triumph of greenery. Every movement and decision is carried out under the watchful eye of artificial intelligence. Each robot, each seed, each drop of water is guided with a precision that only technology can provide. This place is the beating heart of the mission to restore life to the earth. Soil is not merely the ground, it is the cradle of life. With precision, the robots scatter nutrients into the earth so that every small sapling can grow strong roots and sustain lasting greenery. This moment is a fusion of science, art, and hope. In the newly restored forest, even the smallest creature can pose a threat to new life. Yet the robots, with sharp and precise vision, detect and control every danger, ensuring that nature remains safe and balanced. Even in the darkness of night, life continues. Powered by stored sunlight, the robots remain vigilant, watching over the newborn forest. Every movement stands as testimony to the tireless effort of bringing life back to the earth. Every new tree needs compassion. With precision and delicacy, the robots build supports for the tender sprouts. This care lays the foundation for a powerful forest in the future. Within every leaf, life is hidden. With delicate care, the robots sweep away ash and dust, allowing light and air to reach the roots so that life may flow once again. A true forest embraces diversity. With precise planning, the robots plant different species side by side, shaping a healthy and sustainable ecosystem. Here, every sapling plays its part in the renewal of life. Every drop of rain is a treasure for the newborn forest. With unmatched precision, the robots collect and distribute this treasure so that not a single drop is wasted and every plant receives the water it needs. Even the smallest flame is a serious threat. With sharp, unceasing vigilance, the robots guard against every potential danger, ensuring the safety and security of the newborn forest. Every flower carries a message of life. The pollinating robots, with precision and delicacy, echo the role of nature so that the cycle of life may be completed and the forest may flourish. On the heights of the earth, leaves rise like green flags upon the scorched soil. The robots, guardians of the future, remain watchful so that the newborn forest may flourish and true life may flow once again. Soil holds more life than meets the eye. With precision and knowledge, the robots restore the tiny beneficial creatures of the earth so that the natural cycle of life may take shape once again and the forest of the future may grow healthy and vibrant. Every fragment of a plant that falls to the ground is reborn into life. The robots break it down and return it to the soil so that the saplings may be nourished and the newborn forest may grow lush and green. Every drop of water is a gift for life. With precision, the robots balance the soil's moisture so that no plant remains thirsty and every sapling can thrive. Artificial intelligence predicts the future of the forest. Every movement of the robots, every planting and watering is carried out with scientific precision for optimal growth so that a lush and sustainable future may be created. High among the branches, every leaf and twig is carefully examined. With the help of drones, the robots monitor the growth process to ensure that the newborn forest matures in health and strength. The return of life is not only through trees, but also through homes for small creatures. With precision, the robots build safe habitats for birds and animals so that a true forest may take shape. Even in the darkness, life flows on. With gentle and beautiful lights, the robots illuminate the path of growth and care for the newborn forest, filling the night with life. Every obstacle or danger that threatens the forest's growth is immediately identified and removed. The robots, guardians of peace and nature's security, are always ready. Every leaf, every branch, and every fragment of plant life returns to the cycle of existence. The robots transform this matter into nourishing soil so that the newborn forest may grow stronger and greener. And now, the newborn forest, alive and verdant, celebrates its first festival of life. Robots, animals, and every leaf together proclaim the promise of a bright and hopeful future. Even on the tallest hills, life finds its way. The drones are bearers of hope. Every seed that touches the soil carries the promise of greenery and rebirth. Every drop of rain is a treasure for the newborn forest. With precision, the robots purify and channel the water so that not a single drop is wasted and every sapling receives the life it needs. The soil breathes and life flows once again. With precision, the robots aerate the earth so that roots grow stronger and the forest becomes more resilient and enduring. Even at night, the care for life does not cease. With night vision, the robots find every thirsty sapling and water it so that growth may continue. Every small sapling needs support. With precision, the robots create biological reinforcement so that the plants may grow toward the sky and the newborn forest may stand strong. Every bird and every small animal is a messenger of life. The drones remain watchful, yet they do not interfere. They are only silent witnesses to the return of life in the forest. Every grain of nutrient returns the force of life to the soil. With delicacy, the robots nourish the earth so that each sapling may grow fresh and strong. The forest does not begin only from the earth. It also reaches toward the sky. The drones rise above the branches, connecting every small twig to the flow of life. Nature is always full of challenges. The robots stand ready to protect the newborn forest from any threat, ensuring that green life endures. Every nightly drop is a treasure for the newborn forest. The robots measure and manage it so that no plant remains thirsty, and life flows anew.